Hello everybody. Very soon we are going to start drama production, and for that we are looking for some very good actors, characters or artists, girls and boys. So those people who are interested to work in our dramas, I request them to contact us. I'm leaving my contact number on screen and below in description as well. So those people who think they can do very good acting, bonus. But those who are interested to work in dramas but they think they are not good actors, they should not worry about that. We will train them. Drama won't be very long. It would be around 10 minute long drama, not more than that. Okay? See you. Bye-bye.